guys, okay, so today we are doing a very different video. We are doing a bit of a test and trial, and I'm going to tell you guys if this bag is worth it. So this is the viral Uniqlo bag that everyone says fits a zillion things, and today we're going to find out if it really does fit a zillion things. Okay, so this is the Round Mini Shoulder bag from Uniqlo. Now, this is not something that's typical to like Uniqlo India. It is pretty much across the globe. I was pretty intrigued by this bag because I've seen a lot of stuff on Instagram about it, and apparently it's pretty huge on TikTok as well. Like even my producer on my Malaysia shoot was carrying it, and I asked him, I was like, you know, you're carrying like the it viral bag, and he was like, yeah, I saw a lot of TikTok videos and said it fit a lot of stuff, so I thought it'd be great for the shoot. This was sent to me by Uniqlo as a gift, and I got it after the trip, so I didn't really get to try it. So I thought, why not test it and see how much it can really fit. So it's pretty much a regular sling bag, has a long strap which I will open where show you guys all that once you know, like we fill it. It has two pockets on the inside and then the big main pocket, which is pretty big. Like right now when I look at it, it's quite large, and it's got like a boat kind of a format. This is for 1490, about 1500 rupees in India. Let's see what it fits and let's see if it's worth it. It also comes in like a zillion colors, so they keep updating the colors and the patterns. Since this was sent to me, I didn't really pick this color. I really like the color, but as a travel bag, I would pick like a black or a tan, because then you can just kind of use that, you know, with everything, and it's easy to match. But yeah, we have a whole bunch of things. I thought I'll bring out some random stuff that you usually put in your bag and see how much fits. So starting small, obviously some keys, right? Everybody needs keys. Though if you're traveling, I don't know if you'll need keys, but anyways. A lip balm and maybe an extra lipstick, which I'm going to put into the... So I'm using the pockets for these right now. Let's see how that works eventually. AirPods, okay, so far so good. Everything seems to be fitting just fine. I also have like a lot of other bigger stuff. So obviously got a bottle of water, got my shades. This is usually what I have my cash in, which is a card holder with some cash. But I thought it's better to have a bigger wallet because most people actually have a wallet. So we're gonna try and put that in. Then some wipes, okay, here we go. Also a pen. I don't know who writes anymore, but why not since we're testing. Shades, obviously on a trip you want shades, right? So we're gonna throw in some shades. So far it's looking good, guys. Like, I mean, there's still a lot of room in this bag. Wow, okay. Gonna move in with a big water bottle. Now this is bigger than your standard, I guess, small mineral water bottle because it's a reusable one, it's glass. So I thought let's try the bigger one and see if it fits, which has also fit in very comfortably, which is really like shocking and amazing at the same time. Okay, so far this is how we're looking. Pretty good, right? Some sanitizer, some gum. Obviously I picked like the biggest packet of gum as well because I was like, I want to really see how much fits, right? So we've got some massive gum, and I have like perfume and deodorant. I thought I'd have to like use either or, but I think I can actually fit both, guys. This is pretty wild. Like, and I could also fit in my extra, like, I think card holder, and I still have space. This is insane. Oh my God. Okay, let's see if it zips with everything I had on this table, and there's still room for more. Like, that's insane. I also have the 14 Pro Max, which I don't usually put into my bag, but today, since we're testing, we're gonna throw in something else as well. Phone is in. Okay, time to zip. Now it feels a bit stuffy, but still zipping. Okay guys, it's really heavy, but everything has fit. Everything has fit. How wild is that? Like, so this table was full of stuff, and now it is all in my bag. Like, I honestly did not think that everything I had here would fit inside. I thought some things would fit and I would have to, as I said, I had options like the perfume and the deo and like, you know, a mix of stuff. But this is pretty wild that it has fit so much. I'm quite shocked. Now that we have managed to fit a whole ton of stuff inside, let's see how it looks. It actually still retains its shape pretty well for the amount of stuff I've put inside. And it's meant to be obviously a sling, so you can sling it across. You can wear it shorter if you want like it to hang on the side here. You can wear it longer, like a longer sling. It's also, again, universal, like unisex, men, women, like anyone can use this. That's why it's kind of basic and clean in terms of design, which I kind of like. Like, I feel like when you're traveling or for an everyday bag, you want something that's kind of, you know, clean and easy to pair with things, which I think this pretty much is. I like the boat design, like, you know, the shape, because it sits really well here. So I like to wear my slings kind of higher. And I kind of like this angle of having it here because it feels better to me. But even for someone that wants it lower, I think a boat angle always works better because it kind of stays like this on the side really well. And when you're traveling especially and you want to have your stuff close to you and you want to be safe with everything, I feel like this is also really great for that, you know. The other thing I like is the bag in itself is really light because it's obviously made from this fabric. It kind of feels like your, what is it, you know, like your wind cheater kind of fabric, like not like a bit synthetic-y, and like you can wash it and use it. It's also cloth, so I don't think maintaining it is going to be that hard. Yeah, I think it's pretty good for the price and for what it's being pitched as. I mean, honestly, if I hadn't seen so many videos or heard about this bag so much, I wouldn't have like got the hype. But now that I'm actually seeing the amount of stuff in this bag, I mean, look at this. It's wild. Okay, just to compare, okay, let's see. Let's put this here. I'm going to bring in one of my usual slings. This is my Charles & Keith sling. You guys have seen me use this like 100 times, okay? This is not a boat-ish shape, but like kind of similar. It's empty. I just want to see how much actually would fit into this, because this is usually my like extra, you know, bag that I carry with me on stuff. Okay, phone has gone in, number one. At least we've managed that. I don't know if the water will go because this bag is not as big as that one. Yeah, no. Even if I put this in, I don't know if it'll close. Will it close? No. So the water bottle is a definite no-go for this guy. Maybe a smaller bottle might fit, but let's see. See, this is where I kind of am starting to value this bag a little more, because I feel like I had to leave nothing behind, right? Like this gum is only taking over half my bag. Big wallet has gone in. This also has gone in as an added. Let's see. Perfume, I think I'll manage. But everything feels a bit like squished in here. Like it's not really just fitting. You know what I mean? Pen has gone in. Like the smaller stuff, yeah, you can dabao and fit, but like also it has just one pocket which is kind of flat, so it doesn't really, like, everything is in the main thing, like it doesn't really fit in. And if I have to pull out one thing, I'm gonna have to like pull out like everything, you know what I mean? Like I can't really, it's all piled on top of each other. Okay, so there's no way shades are fitting in this with the rest of the stuff. There's no way I think I can manage this. These three things have not fit. Will it close? Will it close? It has closed, my friends. Okay, so it is really full. And as you can see, like, look at this. Like, this is kind of how it looks. So you can see that like everything is literally falling out. Like if I want to get my phone out or the wallet out, I have to like literally remove a lot. And it's not really practical, if you know what I mean. So it did fit the stuff, but like it's like a really tight fit where just to get my phone and wallet out, I've had to remove all that, which is not really ideal. So yeah, now I've got everything out from that bag. Again, this bag is empty. So just to show you the scale of what has fit in, this is pretty impressive. Also, the good thing I like about this, which I didn't show you earlier, is that because it's so moldy and foldable and stuff, you could just dump this into any bag and like, you know, carry it. It's also really, really light. So if you're carrying it on a trip, or if you want to just even keep it in a bigger bag so you can just pull it out and take your essentials out, it's pretty amazing. So my verdict on the bag, I'm gonna do it in a to buy or not to buy style, since you guys know I love doing that. I'm gonna say to buy, but I would definitely say buy it in like a basic color, like a black, a tan, or whatever, because then that's great for like everyday stuff as well as for travel. But yeah, I am blown away by how much fit inside this bag. So guys, this was something new that I tried. Let me know in the comments if you like this video, if you like the format, if you think I should do this with other bags and kind of see what fits in them and whether they're worth buying or not. Let me know, not luxury bags, just like regular bags like this one. Also, if you're getting the bag, definitely comment below and tell me which color you're getting it in. And if you like the video, as I said, give the video a thumbs up and I will see you guys soon. Bye!